Reaching greatest markdown here. We're going to be looking at definitely how we can actually insert column right here in our Google Doc. Yes, right here in our Google Doc. If you notice, we have the paragraph here already, so we want to put it in different columns, definitely. So in Microsoft Word, no one you can actually add that, but in Google Doc here, we're going to look and see exactly how we're going to add the column right there. So what we wanted to do, if you notice, we have file up here, we have edit view, insert, format, tool, extended. So what we want to focus on right here is format. Now when you click on format, you notice it's your text, it's your paragraph. You notice a line and indent. If you notice line and paragraph, this is column which we're going to focus on. Notice we have bullets, we have edit, numbers, page orientation, and all of that. So you want to come right where you say column. So if you notice right over here, I show you more column. If I come right here and I click, you notice two columns, you notice. Alright, so if I go back again to format and I go back to column, I'm going to click over here on the tree. Notice when I click on the tree, you notice what eventually what happened right there. Right here. So definitely I can actually do this right here in our Google Doc. Yeah, so this is where we actually add column right here in our Google Doc. So remember, if you learn something, remember to share it. Don't keep it to yourself. Alright, and remember to subscribe. Right. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.